Friends, Staff Selection Commission invites application to recruit staff in various government departments. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to use SSC Madhya Pradesh region website. Okay, so this is the SSC Madhya Pradesh region website which is serving for the people of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so you can click on this link and this is the website URL www.sscmpr.org. okay, and this is the main interface. Now it says welcome, आपका स्वागत है स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन मध्य प्रदेश रीजन, and these are various notifications and informations for the candidates. Okay, and on the right hand side you can see this is a navigation menu. We have various tabs on it. There is a home button, then examination notice, board results, previous papers. So there is a lot of information, and now down at the bottom you can see click here to Hindi website. So this is a link for the Hindi website. You can click on that, and in the next tab you can see this is a Hindi website opened now. Okay, so the same content and the same information is now available in the Hindi language. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now let's move back to the English website. Okay, and now you can see this is a notice board. Okay, this is the notice board where you can see there is a lot of latest information and updates, and now beneath that you can see there are useful links. Okay, so these are the links for the websites of various regions across India, and down at the bottom beneath you can see this is a link for website of SSC headquarter. So this is the main website of Staff Selection Commission. This is the URL ssc.nic.in. okay, and now this is how the website looks like. Up at the top it says welcome to SSC Staff Selection Commission, and then there is a logo of SSC, and now there are two language options, English or Hindi. Let's click on English. Okay, so the website is now loading up. Alright friends, so now this is the main website of Staff Selection Commission. This is the URL sscnic.in/ssc.html, and now this is a navigation menu. Okay, you have various tabs on it, and this is the right hand side bar, quick navigation menu bar. We have various links over here, you can go through with them. Okay, and now this is candidates corner. Okay, we have some more links over here, you can go through with them also. Okay, so friends, this is how the website looks like. Okay friends, we hope that you liked this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can ask them in the comments box below. Friends, we request you to please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.